Okay, friends, let's take these wooden Dollar General bunnies and make them super pretty. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I have some napkins. I got them at Hobby Lobby. Super pretty. We're going to get them down to 1 ply. This little one, I think I used 2 of the smaller ones. And I used, I think, 4 of the bigger ones. And again, just 1 ply it. These were only 2 ply, so it was easy enough. But when you get napkins, just make sure you check and make sure that it is only, you get it down to 1 ply. Some are like 3 ply. All right, so I got these bunnies from Dollar General. And they're little kid-like puzzle things that you paint and whatever for Easter. And they just slide together. Super cute. And they're wood. And it comes 2 to a pack, so you get a big bunny and a little bunny. Hooray! Perfect. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is paint. This is Mod Podge, and I'm just going to put Mod Podge on the front, on one side for each of the big ones and each of the small ones. Just one side first, and we're going to let it dry. And then we're going to put our napkin on where you want it. Like place it wherever your design is, place it on there. And then I am putting a piece of parchment paper on top, and then I iron it. Listen, I'm telling you right now, no wrinkles doing this. No lie. Look at this. And then I just sand off the excess. Perfect, right? I did the same thing with the little ones. Put a layer of Mod Podge, let the Mod Podge dry. Then we put our napkin on top, put our parchment paper on top of that, give it a little iron. By the way, this iron is from Walmart. It's adorable. I love it. It was super cheap. All right. So, and you don't have to go crazy ironing it either. It doesn't take long. And then for another option, you could cut them out. You don't have to have that big piece of napkin all over. And you could snip little, all of the corners so that it makes it a little easier for your sanding. An emery board would have been ideal. But I didn't have an emery board because if you can't see in the video, I have no nails. But you do the same process on the other side, okay? So then you wind up having both sides covered with the napkin. Then we're going to put them together and look at how cute this is. Like, stop. Like, are you kidding me? Look. Adorable. Does not, to me, look like a kid's little project, right? I mean, come on. Oh, I love it so much. All right, so here it is. Now, if you aren't into distressing, leave now. But if you are, you think they're all gone. I think they're gone now. Okay, shh. Now we're going to distress them. Because you thought that I wasn't going to do it, and I am. I love it. I'm using my little distressing thing that I got from Michael's and a little brown wax, and I'm just going over. The same can be achieved, this distressing can be achieved with, gosh, a sponge, one of the scrubbies. It's fine. This is just, I happen to get it on clearance. I do this on all of the ears and all of it. And look at how cute this is. Are you kidding me? I mean, I don't know. I am into the distress vibe, and this makes me so happy. And it was so easy. I mean, come on, so easy. Whew. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.